Butterfly. Butterflies are the most beautiful insects. These are the most beautiful insects. Butterfly lays tiny eggs on the leaves. So where the butterfly lays tiny eggs, they lay tiny eggs on the leaves. You see in the life cycle of the butterfly, in the first, in the leaves, okay, they lay tiny eggs, and these eggs hatch into teeny worm like larvae or the caterpillars. So hatch means the break of the egg. They These eggs hatch into teeny worms like larvae or the caterpillars, and each hungry caterpillar spends all its time eating leaves. And these larvae or the caterpillars, okay, each hungry caterpillar is there, so it spend all its time eating leaves, and it grows bigger and fatter every day. You see in this picture, it is a caterpillar, and it spend all the time on the leaf, and after that, it after few days, means after that, it grow bigger and bigger and fatter every day. And after a few days, it builds a special home for itself. And after a few days, it builds a special home for itself. This home is called the cocoon. So in this picture you see, after when the caterpillar become bigger and fatter every day, and then it become a special home for itself. This home is called the cocoon. This is the cocoon. It is made from the thread that comes out of the caterpillar's body, and it is made from the thread that comes out from the caterpillar's body. And curled up inside the cocoon, the caterpillar goes to sleep. After that, you see in this cocoon, and the caterpillar is curled up inside, like in this position, like curled up inside the cocoon, and caterpillar goes to sleep. At this stage, it is called the pupa. So when caterpillar goes to sleep and curl up inside the cocoon, at this stage, it is called the pupa. So while it is sleeping, the caterpillar changes from a pupa into a beautiful butterfly. So while it is sleeping at this stage, when it is sleeping, so the caterpillar changes from a pupa into a beautiful butterfly. So when the butterfly is ready to come out, the cocoon split open, means split means to divide. So you see, whenever the butterfly is ready to come out, okay, so this cocoon split open and butterfly comes out. You see in this picture, after that the butterflies comes out. So butterfly has a special coil tube in its mouth. So butterfly has a special coil tube. Coil means in the form of ring in its mouth. This is called a proboscis. So the butterfly has a special coil tube in its mouth. This is called the proboscis. So it uncurls and can be dipped into a flower. So it uncurls means it straighten its coil tube, okay, and can dip into a flower. So the butterfly uses its like a drinking straw to suck up nectar. So butterfly uses it. What it uses? Its tube. Firstly, it uncurls it, means it straighten it, and after that it suck up nectar, okay, from the flower. So what is the nectar? Nectar is a sweet juice of the flower. After that, bees and wasps. So bees live in a hive. So hive is a nest of bees. So the bees where live? They live in hive. It is made from the wax. So wax is the yellowish substance that is secreted by the bees. So it is made from the wax. That is, hive is made from the wax. So it can usually be found hanging from the branch of the tree. So the hive is hanging from the branch of the tree. So hives have many small cells. In the hives, they have many small cells. All are of the same size and shape. And all are of the same size and shape. And each cell is shaped like a hexagon and has a 6 sides. So each cell of the hives, okay, is shaped like a hexagon. Hexagon means which have 6 sides. So in one hive there is only a single queen bee. So in one hive there is only a single queen bee. It lays eggs in the cells and the eggs are sealed inside the cells. Okay, so in a hive there is only one single queen and it lay eggs in the cells, and these eggs are sealed inside the cell, means they are closed inside the cell till they hatch into larvae, means these eggs are sealed inside the cell till they hatch into larvae, means until the opening is not taken place, so they seal inside the cell. So they are then looked after and fed by the worker bees, means the larvae are looked after and the fed by the worker bees, means the worker bees take care of the larvae and they give feed to the larvae. So the worker bees in the hive collect nectar. So the worker bees in the hive collect nectar, that is sweet juice from the flowers. In the hive they change their nectar into honey. Okay, in the hive they change their nectar into honey. Honey is a good for health and is a rich source of minerals. So honey is a very good for health and it is a rich source of minerals.